This week was all about leveling my project from a basic e-commerce build to something that actually resembles a production grade system. I started off by setting up version control properly using Git. Instead of working in a chaotic single branch flow, I structured my development using feature branches, which gave me much better control over experimentation and stability. I made regular commits and regular pushes. Moving on to the user side, this week was heavily focused on monetization and transaction flow. I integrated an online payment gateway using Razorpay and I implemented UPI with that, which essentially brought real transaction capability into the app. Okay, along with that, I built a complete payment handling flow, including a success page with a detailed order summary and navigation options, and a failure page with a retry, logic, and redirection. The idea was not just functionality but user experience, making sure that users don't feel stuck or confused during payments. I also implemented order cancellation and return workflows, which are critical for any e commerce system. When a user cancels a request or returns, the stock gets updated accordingly and the reasons are captured for better tracking. Okay. On top of that, I introduced a coupon management system where the users can apply or remove coupons at checkout with strict validation to prevent misuse. The checkout now shows a proper pricing breakdown, including discounts, which adds transparency and builds trust. Another important addition was the wishlist management. Users can now add or remove products from their wishlist, and if they want, they can move an item to the cart. It automatically gets removed from the wishlist. This creates a seamless shopping journey instead of redundant actions. Then comes the wallet system, which is a big upgrade. Instead of direct refunds, cancels, or returned orders, I mean, or doing something complicated like that, all cancel and return orders will have their money credited into the wallet. Refunds for return only happen after the admin approval, while cancellations are instant. Users can also use this wallet balance for future purchases, which is a smart retention strategy. On the admin side, I significantly expanded control and analytics. Admin can now can manage offers, verify return requests, process return refunds directly to user wallets. I also built an offer module that supports a product level offers, category level offers, and even referral based discounts using unique codes and URLs. The system intelligently applies the best available offer instead of stacking them blindly. Coupon management was extended to the admin panel as well with proper validation during creation and deletion. And finally, I implemented sales reporting where admins can filter daily data, yearly data, weekly data, and if he wants, he can do it on custom ranges. These reports include metrics like total sales, discounts, coupons, deductions, and order counts. On top of that, reports can be exported in the PDF format and Excel format, making the system actually useful for business insights, not just a dummy dashboard. Overall, this week was less about flashy UI and more about building real world production level features that makes the platform robust, scalable, and business ready.